All right, I'm going to show you how to operate this particular Frigidaire air conditioner. All right, so you have this air conditioner right here. All right, and basically to operate it, these are simple instructions. Please read the owner's manual before you use this because they have exact instructions. Make sure that, you see that down there? The actual plug has a fuse on it. Make sure that it's engaged and that green light is on, okay? So once you have that, you have the Frigidaire, and here are the controls right here. You have high, cool, you have medium cool, you have high fan and low fan. Now if you want and there's also low cool. Now if you want air conditioning, make sure that it is on cool, okay? Make sure that it is on cool and not the fan. There's a difference between the fan and cool right here, all right? And it says right here, if you've been using it, wait 3 minutes before restarting it. That's very important. And then you have those features right here. You can turn this, turn to cool or whatever. And then you have the temperature, okay? So you have the temperature, and you know, if you want it to be the coldest, you want it to be all the way closer to 7, okay? See, that's the max cool temperature right there. Make sure that it's closer to 7. If you don't want it so cool, make sure that it's lower, closer to 1. And so you can turn it on, the cool, blowing cool air just like that. There's a filter in here. Make sure that the filter right here, I'll open this up right here, make sure that it's clean right here. Clean, free from debris, so that it can actually blow cool air. So that's how you operate the Frigidaire air conditioning unit right here. I hope that this was helpful. Please use the owner's manual because they have exact instructions on what you should be looking for when using this particular air conditioning unit. This is just my opinion. I'm showing you how to operate this, and I may not be accurate. All right, but that's it. I should have done that. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.